So what do we call this? Postnatal bath.
Yeah.
Yes, I feel so clean. Oh, it's bliss. I hope the puppies recognise her smell. They won't, but they'll recognise the taste. You feel alright now, Coco? Is that good? No exit. No exit. Where you going? Is it good? Is it a good bath? Where'd you go? What you doing? Brave. She's gone nuts. You have to go out the long way. You have to go out the long way. I bet she's going to go flat in a minute. Are you happy now? Was that a nice bath? Oh my God. Mad dog. What are you doing? You done now? You done? You finished? No? You coming back? Is Coco going nuts? Coco! Is that funny, Dante? Are you done? You finished running like a mad thing? You're brave. You think you should do that? You might face plant. Boing.